Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will and welcome back to my home. So you probably know already, I'm going to be sharing with you a full home workout to train your abs from home. So the abs is one of those areas that is often neglected by most skinny guys. Maybe we focus on training arms too much, which is a big mistake. We still need to train abs, and I recommend training abs about 2 to 3 times per week. So you can perform this workout that I'm about to show you 2 to 3 times per week for the best results to build your abdominals. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Will and I help skinny guys gain their first 30 pounds of rock hard muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy. So if that sounds like you and you're looking for content to bulk up as a skinny guy, you're looking for mass gain, meal plans, recipes, and workouts to go from scrawny to brawny fast, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you've been a follower or subscriber of mine for a while, make sure after this video to click the links in the description. Go grab your free bulking meal plan right now. Not right now, after this video, and grab that free bulky meal plan to get started on your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So in this workout, I'm going to be showing with you a couple exercises you can do from comfort of your own home with no equipment. You can just use your body weight. It's going to train 3 main areas of your abdominals. So you're going to be training your midsection, your upper, your middle, and your lower abs. Okay, so all these exercises will help you build bigger, thicker, and stronger abs, so you have developed a thick midsection. So when you do get to cutting off that body fat, you can reveal this really impressive ab midsection that the girls are gonna love and the guys are gonna respect. So if you have trouble building your abs, this workout is gonna be amazing for you, okay? So make sure to use this workout this month to get results. Try it out, use it 2 to 3 times per week, maybe even more if you can, and you're gonna build an amazing midsection. So I'm not gonna get too much into the details of the workout. I'm just gonna show you and run you through the workout. Let's get straight into it.
that's it for this video today. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Make sure to check out all the other workouts on the right side of this page and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming workouts. See you in the next one.